In block 5, it is ideologies chapter. So in block 5, we understand about how theories that have resembled the state activity and that have expanded the state activities are said to be known as ideologies, and these ideologies have emanated from different historical and socio-economic and political conditions of the people, and these theories define the relationship between the citizen and the state. So this also helps us understand how the individual rights, the individualism advocates for the maximum freedom of the citizens, and also some of the theorists consider state as a necessary evil, and some say that state should be in its limits, and some say that state should extend its powers in addressing the rights of the citizens. So when individualism advocates maximum freedom for the individuals and they consider state as a necessary evil, whereas fascism, they consider citizens' allegiance, obligations and duties are more important than their rights and liberties. So, and also here likewise Marxism also addresses that the roots of the state in modes of production of the society, and it considered it as an instrument of exploitation in the hands of the rich class in the society. So in Marxist notion, they advocate for the class war, and they say that state should wither away which should lead to establishing a communist society. And on the other hand, we'll also read about what is anarchism and how anarchism considers political authority in any form is unnecessary and undesirable, and anarchism also opposes that the state power and the credence it is given to more liberty and the individualism. So in this block we also read about under unit 13 and unit 14. Unit 13 deals with individualism and fascism, and unit 14 we will read about anarchism and Marxism.